Welcome to Keep Up with Crypto. In this video we delve into the European Central Bank's plans for a digital euro and the integration of digital ID systems. While these initiatives are said to be designed to bring significant benefits, such as improved payment efficiency and financial inclusion, it's also crucial to explore potential risks and dangers associated with them, particularly the concentration of power and influence that these systems could grant to governments and the ECB. Before we start, the digital euro is often mentioned in the same breath as cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, but is not one itself. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are decentralized and operate on a peer-to-peer network without central authority, the digital euro will be centrally managed by the ECB. While the digital euro may incorporate some technologies found in cryptocurrencies, it will fundamentally differ in its centralization, purpose, and regulatory framework. The digital euro will be a state-backed, centrally controlled digital currency aimed at complementing existing monetary systems and improving payment efficiency within the eurozone. The digital euro aims to complement traditional cash, offering a secure and efficient digital payment method that would be accessible across the eurozone. Coupled with this, the European Digital Identity Framework seeks to provide a unified digital identity system that allows citizens to access public and private services seamlessly across the EU. On the surface, these plans appear to modernize financial transactions and enhance cross-border interoperability. However, critics raise several substantial concerns. One of the foremost issues is the potential for severe privacy violations. By linking financial transactions to a digital ID, every transaction could be meticulously tracked and monitored by authorities. This unprecedented level of surveillance poses a significant threat to individual privacy, essentially enabling a form of financial oversight that is unparalleled. Beyond privacy, there are significant fears about cybersecurity. A centralized digital currency system could become a prime target for cyber attacks. The implications of such breaches could be disastrous, leading to massive financial losses and undermining public confidence in the financial system. Economically, the introduction of a central bank digital currency could destabilize the banking sector. If citizens choose to hold their money in digital euros rather than traditional bank deposits, commercial banks could face liquidity issues, potentially leading to a financial crisis. This shift could disrupt the existing financial infrastructure, challenging the viability of commercial banks and altering the dynamics of monetary policy. Moreover, there's a palpable fear regarding the concentration of power. By centralizing financial data and control within the ECB and linking it to digital IDs, there's a risk of creating an environment where governments have excessive control over individuals' financial lives. Such power could be used to monitor and potentially influence or restrict personal spending, raising severe ethical and democratic concerns. Another critical aspect is the risk of an Orwellian surveillance state. With the ability to track every transaction and link it to a digital identity, governments could exert considerable control over personal and economic freedoms. This could lead to abuses of power, where dissenting voices and political opponents are monitored or financially restricted, eroding the principles of democracy and individual liberty. Imagine a world where the government has full control over what you can and cannot do with your money, and complete access to your personal data. In such a scenario, your financial freedom is no longer yours. Every transaction is scrutinized, every purchase questioned. If the government disapproves of your activities, they could restrict your spending, effectively controlling your lifestyle. A government that does not have your best interests at heart could use this power to stifle dissent, punish critics, or manipulate economic behavior to serve its own ends. Personal autonomy and privacy would be sacrificed, leaving individuals vulnerable to the whims of those in power. This is not a distant dystopia, but a possible reality if we do not carefully consider the implications of such powerful digital tools. So when would we start to see these plans implemented? The European Central Bank has been actively advancing its plans for a digital euro. After concluding a 2-year investigation phase that began in October 2021, the ECB decided in October 2023 to proceed to the preparation phase of the digital euro project. This phase, which is expected to last for 2 years, involves finalizing the rulebook and selecting providers to develop the necessary platform and infrastructure. The completion of this phase will pave the way for a potential decision on issuing a digital euro. Regarding the timeline, the ECB aims to have a functional framework in place within the next few years. The digital euro itself could potentially be introduced sometime around 2026 if the preparation phase progresses smoothly and a decision is made to move forward with issuance. As for the digital ID plans, these are closely linked to the broader initiative of the European Union's digital transformation strategy. The EU has been working on implementing a European digital identity, which is intended to be available to all EU citizens, residents, and businesses by 2024. This initiative aims to provide a secure and user-friendly way for people to identify themselves or prove certain personal attributes online and offline across the EU, which could eventually integrate with the digital euro. In conclusion, while the ECB's plans for a digital euro and digital ID systems promise modernization and efficiency, they also bring significant risks. The potential for privacy violations, cybersecurity threats, economic instability, and the concentration of power necessitates a thorough and cautious approach. It's crucial to ensure that these innovations do not come at the expense of individual freedoms and democratic principles. As we move towards this digital future, we must vigilantly safeguard against the overreach of power and ensure that these systems serve the public good without compromising our fundamental rights. What do you think of these plans? Are they dangerous developments or helpful new tools for the future? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with Bitcoin and crypto news. Thanks for watching and stay informed.